In this video, I'm going to show you how to eliminate the Microsoft security warning that appears when you start up the database program. And you're able to do this if you have the full version of Microsoft Access installed on your computer. You cannot do this if you're running the program under Access Runtime. Unfortunately, Microsoft has activated their cloaking device again so that I cannot record this live for you. So what I'm going to do is voice over a series of screenshots. So to begin with, you're going to open Access, and on the main screen, at the bottom of the red bar on the left of the screen, you see the word Options. You're going to click on Options. That will open a new screen, and there's a column on the left of the screen. The bottom item in the column is Trust Center. You're going to click on Trust Center. And then you're going to click on Trust Center Settings on the right side of the next screen. And on the next screen, again in the left column, the second item down is Trusted Locations. You're going to click on that, which will give you a new screen. And on this screen, you see a list of your trusted locations if you have any previously defined, and Microsoft probably has defined some for you. But you're going to click on the Add New Location button. And on the next screen, you're going to click on the Browse button. And on the next screen, I'm going to take you to the folder that contains the program, which is the Public DBs folder. Now we'll start at local disk C. You'll double click on local disk C. And this will display the folders on the C drive. You want to find the folder Users and double click on that. And in the Users folder, you'll see several folders. You'll want to find the folder Public and double click on that. And now in the Public folder, you'll see a list of folders. It probably doesn't look exactly like mine does, but you'll want to find the folder Public DBs and just single click that to highlight it, and then click the OK button at the bottom right of that screen. And this will open the next screen, which shows you the path to the Public DBs folder that you have selected. Before you click OK, I recommend that you do click the checkbox and make subfolders of this location also trusted, and then click the OK button. And now you will see the Public DBs folder listed as a trusted location. Simply back out of those screens by clicking OK, and you're ready to close Microsoft Access. And that will do it. You will no longer see that security warning. So this concludes the instructional videos for the use of this program. If there's anything that I haven't covered in sufficient detail or completely missed, you could drop me an email. Be sure to refer to the user instructions, which will go into more detail on many of these items. I want to thank you for watching these videos, and I hope that you will or have purchased a copy of the program and will find it beneficial.